Hello students, today we are going to start with the topic ruling the world. In this topic, you will be able to learn about some famous monarchs and to which country do they belong. But before starting the topic, do you have any sort of idea about what is a monarch, what is monarchy and what kind of titles they hold? So to learn about them, open your GK book page number 10. Before starting with the first monarch given in your book, let me introduce you with some terms related to the topic. So first one is monarch. Monarch is a sovereign head of the state, especially a king, a queen or an emperor. A monarch usually reigns for life or until abdication. So what is an abdication? Abdication is actually the act of formally relinquishing monarchical authority. It means he can leave his throne with his own will. You can say that monarch undertakes constitutional as well as representational duties which have developed over more than 1,000 years of history. What is monarchy? Monarchy is a form of government in which the monarch is the head of state for life or until his abdication. One of the most common example of monarchy in the world is Queen Elizabeth II of United Kingdoms. Now the next question arises, what kind of titles such monarchs hold? Actually, the titles held by monarchs are very fascinating, like king, queen, majesty, highness, etc. Let's take some examples. Sovereign Prince of Monaco, Grand Duke of Luxembourg, Emperor of China, Sultan of Oman, His Majesty the King of Sweden. Aren't they fascinating? Now let's start with our first monarch, Sir Haji Hasnal, or you can say Hasnal Bolkiah. He is the monarch of Brunei. Now talking about Brunei, Brunei is located on the island of Borneo in two distinct sections surrounded by Malaysia and the South China Sea. Brunei is famous for its gorgeous mosques and Islamic architecture. Now let's talk about some fascinating facts of Brunei. Brunei is the fourth largest producer of oil in Southeast Asia. It has the highest human development index in the Islamic countries. The literacy rate of Brunei is 97.2%, making it one of the world's largest literacy rates. Now, let's talk about the monarch of Brunei, Sir Haji Hasnal. Sir Haji Hasnal is the 29th and current Sultan of Brunei. He is not only the Sultan of Brunei, he is the Prime Minister, Finance Minister, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade of Brunei, making him the absolute monarch of Brunei. His palace, the Astana Nurul Iman, means the Palace of the Light of Faith, has been listed as the world's largest palace in the world. His wealth increases by $100 every second thanks to his oil contribution of his country. Let's talk about our second monarch, Qaboos bin Said, or you can say Baba Qaboos, the name given to him by Omanians. He is the monarch of Oman. Talking about Oman, Oman is situated on the southeast coast of the Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia. It's a land of oases and wadis. Wadis, you can say Wadiya in Hindi. In some Arabian countries, street markets are known as souks. Oman is having the world's oldest and the largest souks. These are the Mutra Souk and the Nizwa Souk. Actually, these oldest souks are having all kind of stuff from vintage artifacts to high quality gold and precious jewels, from Arabic hats to modern trendy t-shirts even. These traditional Arabian markets are all housed under modern roofing. Let's talk about some of the facts of Oman. First one is the Mountain Dew. You can imagine. People of Oman love to drink Mountain Dew. It is having the highest rate of consumption in Oman, known as alcohol of Oman. Second one is the Khanjar. a kind of dagger. This weapon originated actually in Oman. Now let's talk about its monarch, Qaboos bin Said, or you can say Baba Qaboos. Baba Qaboos, he was the longest serving leader in the Middle East and Arab world at the time of his death. His reign nearly lasted about 50 years. He was the first sultan who focused on empowering Omani women, guarantees both men and women equal protection under the law. The third monarch in the list is King Salman. He is the king of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. It's a country in the Western Asia, constituting the bulk of the Arabian Peninsula. Before talking about King Salman, let's talk about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, it is the 13th largest country in the world, occupying area nearly about 83,000 square miles. It is the largest country in the world without a single river. After China, Saudi Arabia's Al Marai, it is having the world's largest dairy farms. Saudi Arabia is having the biggest, or you can say largest, camel market in the world, selling nearly about 100 camels per day. Now, talking about King Salman, his full name is Salman bin Abdullah Aziz Al Saud. He is not only the king of Saudi Arabia, he is the prime minister of Saudi Arabia as well as custodian of the two holy mosques. Custodian means the caretaker. Now, before 2017, Saudi Arabia was the only country in the world where women were not allowed to drive. But with King Salman, Saudi Arabia entered into the new era. A 2017 decree which allows Saudi women to drive for the first time in the history of Saudi Arabia. The fourth monarch in the list is Akihito. He was the emperor of Japan, who was abdicated by his son Naruhito. His full name is Shugo Akihito. He is known as the Majesty, the Emperor by Japanese people. His reign was designated as achieving peace because he avoided any military conflict during his 29 years reign. Akihito's family ruled for some 2700 years on Japan, making it the world's oldest continuous monarch in the world. Akihito, he was the first Japanese monarch to marry a commoner, breaking with tradition. Let's talk some interesting facts about Japan. Japan is a beautiful island country in East Asia. The name Japan originates from Nihon or Nippon, means the land of the rising sun. Japan is the world leader in robotics. Anime means animation, and automobiles. Toyota, Honda, Sharp, Canon, Panasonic are some of the most famous Japanese companies in the world. The ancient warriors of Japan are known as samurai, who use a sharp sword called katana. I think most of you know about samurais and katana. If no, then let me remind you, world famous movie Avengers Endgame. There you had seen Hawkeye's alter ego, known as Ronin. He was actually a samurai with katana. Jigme Khaisar Namgyal Wangchuck, the fifth monarch in the list. He is the king, or you can say the dragon king of Bhutan. He is known as Druk Gyalpo, or dragon king of Bhutan. He is the world's youngest monarch in the history of monarchs at the age of 24 when he became king on 9th December 2006. He is known as People's King because he enjoys exceptionally warm relations with India. He was even invited as the chief guest for India's 64th Republic Day celebration in 2013. Let's talk about some facts of Bhutan. Bhutan, a small country but a very beautiful country in the eastern Himalayas. Bhutan is known as the land of thunder dragon. Thimphu, the capital of Bhutan, does not have a single traffic light. Bhutan is the only nation in the world where the sale of tobacco is totally banned. The sixth monarch in the list is King Abdullah II. He is the king of Jordan. Jordan is an Arabic country in the Western Asia on the east bank of the Jordan River. Before talking about some facts regarding Jordan, let's see some facts regarding King Abdullah II. King Abdullah II. He is the direct descendant of the Prophet Muhammad. He belongs to Hashemite dynasty, which means royal family of Jordan, which have ruled since 1921. Now, talking about facts regarding Jordan. First, Petra, Jordan's most popular tourist attraction, a UNESCO's World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Petra is known as the Rose City or the Red Rose City because of the color of the stone from which it is carved. The world-famous Dead Sea, which is located along the western borders of Jordan and lies in the Jordan Rift Valley. It is the deepest hypersaline lake in the world, almost 9.6 times as salty as the ocean. It is known as Dead Sea because of its high salinity, which prevents aquatic organisms and plants from living. Though many movies are shot in the areas of Jordan, but some of the renowned movies are Aladdin 2019, The Martian 2015 and Indiana Jones 1989. The seventh monarch in the list is Queen Margaret II. She is the Queen of Denmark, known as Her Majesty the Queen. The Queen of Denmark, she is the supreme authority of the Church of Denmark and the Commander-in-Chief of the Denmark Defense even. She is the first female monarch of Denmark since Margaret I, who ruled in 1375 till 1412 in Scandinavian countries. Now let's talk about some of the fascinating facts regarding Denmark. Denmark, they have the oldest flag in the world. Google Maps, loudspeakers, insulin, world famous Lego brick games, dry cell batteries, all hail from Denmark. There are more bicycles than people in the country. Denmark is holding currently second position in the UN's World Happiness Report, just behind Finland. Bakken and the Tivoli Gardens are the world's 2 oldest operating amusement parks, even before Walt Disney's Disneyland. The 8th monarch in the list is Felipe VI, or you can say Philip VI. He is the monarch of Spain. Philip VI is the youngest monarch in the Europe. He was commissioned as officer in the Army, Navy and Air Force of Spain. He is having certified helicopter pilot license. Now talking about Spain. Spain is a beautiful country located in the Western Europe. Spain has 47 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the 3rd highest in the world after Italy and China. Spain is the world's largest producer of olive oil, producing nearly about 44% of the world's olive oil. La Tomatina, world's famous tomato festival, is held every year in Spain. Picasso, Gaudi, Salvador Dali, they all have their Spanish origins. Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, you can say Barca, the world's top soccer clubs, they all belong to Spain. The 9th monarch on the list is King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. He is the king of Bahrain. Talking about Bahrain, the currency. The Bahrainian currency, it is the second valued currency in the world. Bahrain made history as the first F1, or you can say Formula 1 Grand Prix to be held in the Middle East. The Bahrain's famous World Trade Center is the world's first skyscraper to include wind turbines in its design. Bahraini Jews constitute one of the world's smallest Jewish communities. Now talking about its major hotspot, it is Tree of Life. It's a 400 years old tree that grows in the desert with no apparent water source or other local vegetation. Isn't it surprising? Bahrain is famous for its oil, pearls and World's Heritage Site, that is Muharraq Island, Bahrain Fort. 10th monarch in the list is Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. He is the Amir of Qatar, Hamad Al Thani. According to Egyptian Daily, he is the best sports personality in the world of Arabic people. He supervised Qatar's successful bid to host FIFA World Cup 2022. Now talking about Qatar, Qatar lies in the Middle East. The literacy rate of Qatar is 97%. Qatar is home to 9th biggest airport in the world. Its capital, Doha. Doha is known for its futuristic skyscrapers and other ultra-modern architecture inspired by Islamic designs. The government there is absolute monarch, means all the powers are held by Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. By far, it is the richest country in the world by IMF, means International Monetary Fund.